Welcome to our tutorial video. In this video, we will show you how to manage your account settings. Let's get started. To manage your account settings, click on the settings icon to access the main menu. Click Account Details and you will be able to see 4 submenus. The first submenu, Billing and Subscription, will allow the administrator to purchase an account before the trial account expires or cancel the trial subscription. The second submenu, Add User Details, is where the administrator can add the profiles of the additional user accounts purchased. To begin, type the email address of the new user and the username. Next, tag the new user account to the preferred user level. To learn how to create different user levels with different access rights to the system, please watch the next video. Click Save to update your changes. The third submenu, Edit Company Details, is where the administrator can edit basic information about the company. Fill in the necessary details and click Save to update your changes. You can upload up to 2 company logos for your account. Before you proceed to upload the logos, please ensure that the image file type is either in JPEG or PNG. Once you are ready to upload your company logo, click Choose File to select the file to upload. Click Open and the image will be displayed. To confirm the upload, click Upload and Save Logo 1. To replace the logo you have uploaded previously, click Remove Logo first. Then repeat the process. Now that you have learned how to configure your account settings, it's your turn to try. Once you have successfully configured your account settings, view the next video to learn how to set up and manage your user and user group settings. Thank you for watching.